This is what I got going on right now. Insane. Phew.
Oh, I'm hitting something.
1, 2, 3. Are you going, Skeet?
Yeah. I'm going.
We're out here just actually exploring today.
I've been watching you guys.
You follow the page?
Later, guys.
What's going on, everybody? Today we're hopping on the Super Jets. Rare sighting.
Almost left.
Almost left the chat.
They want to get in the water bad.
We're going to check out some spots that we could potentially ride the jammers. We're talking lagoons, trees, rocks,
Rivers, bridges, roads.
we're just gonna go around where we live and see what we can find, and hopefully in a soon episode we'll take the jammers out there and beat them.
Taking you on a little exploring adventure, Lewis and Clark style.
For Christmas this year we asked for one thing, and Santa delivered. We got some GoPros, so now we're both gonna be on the GoPro.
We're both strapped up.
Things are a little heavier than I remember.
Oh, Sharky!
Come show them the aftermath of the jet ski tour.
Jet ski tour? I mean, it's all over. We're gonna go give him a wash out there though. My turf is white, so you can't see anything.
I love you rubbing that in.
Yeah.
Let me get my gloves on. They say never trust a man on the job site that doesn't have some gloves. We just hit 8,000 subscribers, which is super sick, you guys. We appreciate all the support. You guys are helping us chase our dreams, so we appreciate every single one of you guys.
Well, we were off until I realized I had 1 bar of fuel. I might have to go to the store. No fuel? That ain't gonna do it. It's getting dark. I guess we got it all suited up. Going to forgot my keys. We're always in a rush, always after work. But you're now along for the journey of us absolutely doing it. Still have a full face helmet on. Oh man. Just like that, we've made it to the local gas station. What are our selections today? Let's go 92 premium, non-ethanol free. You're telling me that's the pace we got? You gotta be kidding me. Just so you know, this is what I got going on right now. Insane. Here you go. I gotta put my gloves on. We got a long journey, Lewis.
Yeah, we do.
Clark's not messing around this time. Wow. This is actually from the fish, the rainbow
I have to
fish.
censor that.
Yeah, censor the rainbow fish. 2024 and people still got brand new palaces going up. What in the Hollywood's going on around here?
We've jumped off this bridge countless of times. The people that live on this island right here absolutely hate it. Derek has some dreams of pushing a jet ski off that thing.
Look at those mountains. Literally snowing right by us. But we're still out here every single week, baby. Phew.
Everyone hates us in here, dude.
That guy wasn't too happy, but that's all right.
It's gotta be, I'd say 40 degrees tops. That's the corner store I was talking about. But here we go, underneath the bridge.
See what it has to offer. Maybe nothing, maybe something.
It's a little bit hard to tell where the logs are because we're coming in here high tide. But we should be able to get a pretty good idea.
You know I had to do it. I can't help myself.
That's the main road right there. And people are probably driving by like, what are these guys doing?
Power line's going into the water, perfect. Getting a little shallow, bud.
There we go.
This might be our U-turn spot.
She got this log set up, dude. Oh, I'm hitting something. I'm hitting something.
Okay, we're on the beach now. On the beach. Okay, we've lost the ski and we're back on.
Look at that. That's perfect right there. Look at that. It's getting shallow in here, boys. I gotta turn around. But on the jammer, we could definitely go back there, see what that's got to offer. I gotta shut my damn ski off. It's so shallow. Yeah, I wonder what's back there through that bridge, man. That's prime time right there, though. There's a little tree in the run-up, but nothing the jammer can't take on. Oh, that's what I hit. Did you see that tree back there?
Yeah, about stabbed a hole in your rocket.
No, I'm talking about the one after it. That was perfect for the jammer to jump over.
I didn't make it that far, brother.
What? You had a little sissy turnaround.
I was thinking it would be cool to jump up on the road.
In a little parallel park up there.
Yeah, let's hit a little drag race real quick. 1, 2, 3.
Go out and buy a Reva tune, baby. You can gap these stock super jets faster than you can say hello. Look at this guy, he's on cloud 9.
We ready to hit the other cove?
Let's do it.
People don't actually like the skis that we ride, but personally I think they're the jam.
Gotta slow it down through here, gotta respect the neighbors. They don't like us very much. We gotta treat them nicely. Guys, vote in the comments. Which GoPro are you watching? You watching Skeets or you watching Darren's?
Looks like it might be more of someone's private inlet, less than like a you should enter inlet.
Someone come up with a story. Tell me what happened. What happened to that dock right there? Guys, this is a dead end.
I don't think there's anything down there for us. Do we take the route Lewis and Clark went over?
I really want to, but I don't think we should. Let's head to the road gap. We've lived here for over 20 years. Never came through this cove. The infamous sailboat right here. Hey, whoever owns the Crown Royal, I'm sorry, buddy. That thing has seen some laps.
Fellow rider out here. Incredible. I think we're running out of daylight here. The classic 5 mile, no wait.
The amount of people sitting in their windows just watching us is ridiculous, bro. Person through here, all I smell is fire. I wish I was sitting next to a fire right now. I'm cold as shit. You guys gotta hit that like button for my commitment for you guys. Damn.
I don't know if I'm reading this right. It says speed limit 55 miles an hour. Top speed I got is 60. You're in for a treat. I'm about to get a 5 mile an hour over ticket. Here we go, chat. 56 miles an hour. Yeah! I don't know why they would put that there for a guy like myself. I gave them exactly what they wanted though.
Let's ban the no wake zone signs and let's get more speed limit signs. 55 miles an hour, are you kidding me?
Look at this little bridge gap we got here. The log down right on the other side. I'm good on that. A jammer though? Perfect. Are you going, Skeet?
Yeah. I'm going. I'm in the bridge right now. Oh yeah, we're good. The log ends right there.
If he says I should go, I guess I should. I guess I should go then. We're out here just actually exploring today. Something we never do. Skeet, that might be the jammer gap over road right there. This place is sick. Little island.
I feel like I'm in the bayou right now of Florida. My fingers are not working anymore. And the water has gone full murk. I can't see how deep it is. Probably a 15-foot catfish underneath. Oh, damn. This is like a full-blown hidden cove.
You tell me this connects all the way out. Look at this place. Who would have knew?
Nothing too hittable. Looks more just like a cool spot.
Yeah, we better hit a U-turn. Getting a little dark too.
Hey, imagine right over this island onto the dock.
I'm thinking that hit right there.
Oh, we pushed the log. Nice. Final spot.
We're thinking this could be another hit right here over the entire road.
We gotta park this hog. for this one. We saved the best spot for last.
I might actually be able to jump the whole road on the super jet.
No way.
A proper ramp, brother.
If we're talking jammers, we could hit a ramp onto the road.
Skip across.
Street skitcher.
Probably gonna endo, but yeah.
Kind of a big drop, huh?
Dude, we need to do that. All we need is a piece of plywood and a couple barrels.
Oh my gosh, if we can get that 650 jammer running mint, we could jump this onto the concrete.
Like an on-off table at Supercross 2009.
If we're hitting the on-off table though, best believe full sparker kit on the bottom.
Sparker kit on the bottom, just like your brother's Razor scooter in 03.
You guys get the idea. Things gonna be sparking across the concrete.
We're definitely going to this one. Definitely going to the under the bridge, over the overpass. And definitely the little lagoon by the market.
Yeah, for sure.
The other spot was a no-go, but that's all right.
Yeah, we still found some good spots. We definitely have some places to go now. We're tired of going to the same spots every time.
And once we blow these ones out, then it's off to a new spot. So thanks for sticking around. I hope you guys were down with the sickness on the spot checks.
If you guys like this style of videos, make sure to leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Help us get to 10,000 subscribers.
And send it to your buddy who's gonna send it to your other buddy who likes your mom.
See you guys in the next one. Peace.